Auto twist tester testing procedure is explained in the manual by single yarn, double yarn and OE yarn. How to test the single yarn, they are explained here. First of all, we have to set the settings in the instrument. Okay. Before that, press the RPM button and check the RPM. For single yarn, it should be 1200. If it is lower side or higher side, adjust this potentiometer using 1200. After that, press F1 button. For yarn type, press single yarn. For accept, enter button. For double yarn, press 2. For O yarn, press 3. Now we are going to check the single yarn. So press 1. Then enter. And enter the direction. For 1 for Z direction, 2 for S direction. Then enter. Display void. What are the TPI or TPM? 2 for TPM, 1 for TPI. Then enter. Sample length 20 inches. For ON we should give 10 inches. Like we have to provide 20 inches. Then enter. Number of samples 10. Enter. Number of tests per sample 1 or 2, whatever you require. After placing that, enter. Now F1 settings are done. Now F2 settings. F2 settings is used to print the test parameters in the dot matrix printer. Enter the time. By using this numerical keypad, can change these numbers. After pressing, then enter. Then the date, spindle number, frame number, yarn count. What is the yarn count? Standard TPI for that, and operator code if any. Now the instrument is ready to check the single yarn. Now we are testing single yarn 30s count corded warp 8.75. This 8.75 we should set in the disc by using here 8.75. Press here. Then place here. Here. Then place. Pull the yarn towards up until 0 position. Light should be on. Then remove it and cut it here. Yes. Now press the start button. After completion of the first test, we'll show the TPI of the yarn. To accept this test, press ACC accept button. To delete this test, press delete button. After completing the total test, it will show the average, CV and standard deviation. After completing the test, press the result button. Here it will show the 1, 2, 3 up to 6 tests it will be stored. Enter the test number you want to print out or After pressing the enter button, it will ask you for the 3 options. View results, send to PC and print. To view the results, keep the arrow mark here and press enter button, and it will show the first reading, second reading, third reading, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th, and standard deviation, average and CV and TPM. Now we are going to check the double yarn. For that, press F1 button, yarn type, 1 for single yarn and 2 for double yarn. Press 2. After selecting the double yarn, it will ask for the preset. Enter the preset value. For example, this I am going to check the 22 TPA yarn, double yarn. For that, I am giving 20 TPA preset value. Press enter. Direction, 2 for Z direction, 1 for S direction. Then enter. TPI mode, sample length 20 inches, number of samples 10. Enter. Number of tests per sample 1. Enter. Now place the. Now this is the double yarn dead weight. For double yarn only we can use this weight. Layout here and adjust the disc value to 20. Refer the instrument manual last page. After mounting the yarn as per single yarn, same procedure. Press start button. Now the motor will rotate. It will stop after reaching the 20 preset value. After reaching the 20 preset value, the motor will automatically stop and remove the double yarn to rear and press the start button. After reaching the exact TPA, press stop button. End to end. End to end, this is the TPA value. After completing the test, press the result button. Here it will show the 1, 2, 3 up to 6 tests it will be stored. Enter the test number you want to print out, or after pressing the enter button, it will ask you for the 3 options. View results, send to PC and print. To view the results, keep the arrow mark here and press enter button, and it will show the first reading, second reading, third reading, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th, and standard deviation, average and CV and TPM. For OEM, press F1 and select 3 button for OEM, then enter. Then direction should be Z direction, and it is display mode TPI, and sample length should be 10 inches. For single yarn and double yarn it should be 20 inches. For OEM 10 inches. Then press enter button. Number of sample 10. Number of tests per sample 1. Press enter. After feeding the settings in the instrument, adjust the disc to 10 inches and tighten the knob, and the scale value should be 10, and place the double yarn dead weight. After placing the yarn as per single and double yarn, as per mount the yarn, then press start button. Ensure the 0 position light should be on. Press the start button. Now it is testing the OEN. After completing the test, it will show the OEN TPA 16.20. If any doubts in the testing procedure, refer manual ones and contact Statex service.